How to change your TikTok username. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change your username on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you want to change your username, it's very simple. First, make sure to update the TikTok app. Once you've updated the TikTok app, now just go over and then launch it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you log in, obviously you can see this is how it is going to look like. Now what you have to do is tap on the profile icon, which is at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on the profile icon, tap on the edit profile button, which you see at the top. Once you tap on edit profile, here you can see your name if you want to change the name. But to change your name, tap on the username section, select it up, and just go ahead and enter the new username that you would like to use. Once you enter the new username, if the username is available, you will see a green check and just tap on the save button. But once you change the username now, you will not be able to change it for the next 30 days. So if you've entered any type of spelling mistakes or anything as such, you have to make sure to correct it up, because after that you will not be able to change it for 1 month. So be very aware of that. But once you're happy, tap on the save button, and that's all it takes to change your username on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.